Hello, to recover deleted pictures on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into this gallery application, and right here in this top right corner we have three dots. We have to press it, and here we have deleted items. So we go in here, and here are all the items that have been deleted in 30 days. So for example, if you deleted any picture, for example, after over 1 month ago, your files, your pictures will not be available here. So it's only 1 month until all files will be deleted. So right now, let's for example select this file, and you can select any file you want to restore, and you can either delete it permanently or you can restore it. So let's select these files right here. Let's press restore, and right now, as we can see, these files are available right here. So basically that's how to restore deleted pictures. Thank you for watching.